This is our chia plant. This biggest one, it's got some pest pressure on it, but there's a lot of really nice chias in this cover crop. And this is what they look like when they're alive. So we're gonna hop on over to when they bloom and get on some seed collection. Alright, this is about the most pitiful bunch of chia plants you're ever gonna see, but they were planted into straight sand with no amendments. So this is actually incredible because our soil here is terrible. But this is probably my best plant. So I'm gonna let it brown out. Let's see if we can find, here's a plant that's already completely been browned out, and that's got seeds in it. This over here has got some seeds as well, and then ooh, there's a nice one. So at this point I'm really not selecting for the best of the best here. I'm really just looking for what I can get, because it's a cover crop. Let's go ahead and show you how to get these seeds out so that we can store them and reuse them for the next cover crop. Alright, so I've got some dead seed heads here, and what I do is I just agitate it and the seeds come falling out. So there's definitely a better way to do this, but usually there's a few seeds in each one of these little things right here. Let's see if I can open it up. Alright, so I just got a jar with some chickpeas in it, and we're gonna put that there and close it up. I'm using chickpeas because they're not too hard, so I don't think they're gonna crush the seeds. Alright, so basically I spun it around a bunch like this. I like that the best, and take off the lid and just blow out the chaff. It comes out pretty easy. Alright, so once you get all the chaff out, there's probably still a few big pieces, but take out your chickpeas. And we're gonna get to see what we got left in here as far as chia seeds. And remember, this was like from 4 or 5 very scrawny plants. These are planted directly into the sand. So I got one more chickpea in there I need to get out. And then alright, so we can see we've got let me just set this down. We've got a few seeds in there from a few little plants that were just very unhealthy. So I'd say that's a pretty good return on the effort we put into it. And that's gonna plant, like, I'm using these for cover crops, not necessarily for the seed, but that's enough to put in my oatmeal or whatever. But it's also, I don't know, 50 or 60 seeds right there. You can count them if you want. And that's going to cover some ground, and that's going to feed some microbiology in the soil. So at the end of the day, like, that's just an easy way to do something very simple that takes about 5 minutes. Alright, now no seed collection video is complete without showing this little duder. Can you make a grouchy face for the camera, buddy?
No, make a smile.
Can you make a big grouchy face?
Make a smile.